Hello, welcome to my video. I call it as time traveling along with the technology. Time traveling along with the technology. I don't understand what is development actually. Is development all about separating the people? Nowadays, nobody lives in their native places. Nobody mixes with their childhood friends. Usually, occasionally, maybe once in a year they may meet, but they don't meet every day, not every week. And they don't live in their native places, and also they don't live along with their parents. It's unfortunate. What is the reason? What is the reason actually? The reason is world has become a global village, and technology contributed to it. There are a number of opportunities abroad basically. Unfortunately, in a country like India, you don't find opportunities. So people move to different places. People move to different places. They get separated from their parents. You can find nowadays most of the apartments are actually old age homes. Most of the apartments are old age homes. At least 50% of the people, 50% of the people are old age people only, or at least who cross 45. And you don't find children. You don't find children in their homes because they went to some cities, they went abroad, and unfortunately they don't come back. Nowadays, it's the trend. People don't come back. They live there. They get accustomed to the comforts there. Not that India is not comfortable, not that India doesn't have any opportunities, but human beings resist change. So you go somewhere, initially struggle, after that you get accustomed to it, and maybe there is some respect for talent, your talent, and you are able to make some money, you are able to live comfortably, so it is settled down there. So most of the apartments are nothing but old age homes. Parents are also encouraging. Parents are also encouraging for their children to go to cities, to go abroad, to make more money, to send some money so that they can do some real estate business or some other kind of business here. Fine, everything works fine until their energy levels go down. When the energy levels go down, so they can't tolerate it, and they will ask their children to come back, but their children will never come back, and they like more material things. They start hating human beings. They start hating more human beings. They will move towards material things. They will try to put their house clean. There should not be any marks on their bike or cars, etc., etc. So people will move towards material things. Now, the main reason is the technology actually, because technology has created opportunities. People have moved to different places. At the same time, nowadays, the technology can do what is called as, can enable us to time travel, and it is capable of bringing our good old days back. Thanks to computers, thanks to different electronic media, thanks to virtual reality, thanks to internet, maybe in few years to come, the trend will reverse. The trend will reverse. But basically, why do people move? Why do people move? Is the technology capable of solving that problem? Why do people move? People move for basically for education or for business or job opportunities. These are the two things only, either education or job and business purposes. Now, thanks to Corona, though it has its own disadvantages, it disturbed many families, it disturbed many economies, but it has taught us a lesson. And regarding the education, nowadays we have what are called as digital universities. They just started coming up in India, There are some universities abroad, digital universities abroad, maybe in some years to come. So these digital universities are going to dominate the physical universities. Digital universities are definitely going to dominate the physical universities. We have technologies for it. We have video conferencing facilities. We have different electronic media, electronic equipment. We have computers. We have internet. We have virtual reality equipment, which is promising. So with all these technologies, probably digital universities are going to dominate. Of course, there are people who still believe in blackboard, but they have now time travel. They don't know how to use the technology, or basically, as human beings, they resist change. But technology is going to change everything. Whether somebody accepts it or not doesn't matter. It is going to drive us. We are not going to drive the technology. Technology is going to drive us. So education will be available wherever you are there. Not just it is related to computer science field. So all other fields, in all other fields it is going to happen. In all other fields it is going to happen. Remember, nowadays we have what is called as Industry 4.0. Industry 4.0, which is about cyber physical systems. Industry 4.0 is about cyber physical systems. That means we should be able to control everything over the internet. Using a computer over the internet, you should be able to control everything. That includes physical things, that includes machines like CNC machines, lathe machines, heavy machines, any heavy machine. You should be able to control over the internet. So it is happening. It happened in many countries. There are smart factories. Where you supply the raw materials and the entire manufacturing process is automated. You will get the finished products out. So education will not depend on the availability of physical resources at a particular location. Wherever the resources are available, you will be able to make use of. At the same instant of time, regarding business also, nowadays a lot of business is happening online, including groceries. We are able to purchase anything online. So with virtual reality, etc., we will be able to wear our spectacles online, check them. We will be able to wear our dress virtually. You can create your own avatar and dress will come and sit on you. So you can feel how you look with the dress, and probably with haptic feedback, etc., you can also feel that pressure factor or friction, etc. And maybe with advanced technologies, you can smell also. So things are going to change. So business is going to happen online. So with virtual reality, with metaverse. So for that matter, metaverse is about social networking using virtual reality. Nowadays, you are just watching the audio, video, etc. But you will be able to feel it with virtual reality. Jobs also, you can find nowadays a lot of software people are working online. It is going to extend to other fields also. It has already extended actually. So it is going to extend to other fields, and you will be able to operate any machinery over the internet, and you can contribute to any factory. Smart factories are there. You will be able to contribute to any factory. So education you are going to get online only, and then business you can do online, jobs you can do online. Then for what purpose you are going to travel? You go to different places, get separated from your parents, your friends, etc. So technology is going to reverse everything, and maybe by 2050, I hope that things will be taken back to maybe 19th century. So best of luck. Have a nice life ahead. Thank you.